Hey there, welcome to DCK's Garage. This is the Cayman S that was featured in the first video on the back roads there. So I just want to show everyone, we have some headers that we're going to be installing on the car along with cob access port to go along with those. Now these are the Cargraphic headers here, and these were bought off of a guy who was selling his GT4. And they only have about 4,000 miles on them, and they're in pretty good condition. Got a good price for them, so we're going to be putting those on the car, as long as with the cob access port here. So I'll show you. Which is funny, another guy who was selling his GT4, so we'll be putting that on there. A lot of people selling GT4s lately, but anyway, so we'll be doing that, and along with the car here. We're going to be spraying the tips with this VHT matte black. So I don't know, I don't like the chrome tips that are on there now. It just kind of contrasts too much with the black wheels on the white car. So we're just going to make the chrome tips now flat black, and we'll be getting hopefully these on in the next couple weeks here. We have an autocross scheduled, so just want to get the car ready to go and all the upgrades on the car here, and we'll be doing a review on it hopefully soon. So stay tuned, and more to come.